my channel. I'm Devine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your hair back in a ponytail. So to start with, you're going to put your hair tie around your right wrist and you're going to comb out any tangles, and then we are going to tuck the hair behind the ears, and we are going to use our thumbs to gather all that hair up and make sure you don't got any wild pieces. You may need to run your fingers over it a couple times before you gather it up in your right hand, and then take that hair tie, pull it over your hand around the hair, twist it, and turn it back over the hair as many times as you need to. I have to do it 4 or 5 times here, but if you have a smaller hair tie, you won't need to do it as many times. And there you have a ponytail. Now, if it's a little loose, what you can do is you can divide the hair below the hair tie into two and just pull it a little bit, and that'll tighten up the hair tie. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and please like and subscribe.